Hi, I'm back today with another project for the Cards TV Gallery. Today I'm going to make a birthday card. I'm starting off with 11 by 4 1/4 sheet of paper, scored at 5 1/2. Now I've already went ahead and stuck on my first layer. I put the measurements at the bottom of the screen because I don't remember what they are right now. So I just went ahead and stuck this down, and I took a white Jelly Roll pen and added stitching around the base there. And then my next layer, I used the Lawn Fawn Lawn Cuts Custom Craft die with the stitching, and cut this out. So we're going to go ahead and stick that down. And I use this little bird from the Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz collection from Bird Crazy. I used a water brush pen and the Peacock Feathers Distress ink. So it kind of looks like watercolor. So we're going to glue him down. And I did take an X-Acto knife and kind of cut his little feather there so I could stick. I'm going to put a balloon and I'm going to put the string under that. So we're going to pop that up with foam tape. I'm just doing one thickness here. We're going to stick him down here. And here is the set of stamps, and I used this one right here. And this is the larger set. There's two. There's a smaller set as well. This is the larger birds. And I also have the Stampers Anonymous Crazy Things. This has hats and ties and balloons and all kinds of little seasonal things. So I also used the birthday party hat. And I colored this in with Distress ink and a water pen as well. That's how I colored everything, actually. So we're going to go ahead and put some foam tape on here. Let's see. We're going to put that right on top of here. So let's put that, I need to cut this in half. I'm going to take a little ATG and put it on the bottom of the hat because that's going to be stuck on his head. Put that there. And then here's the balloon. And I attached some string to it. We're going to put that right under his feather so it's going to look like he's holding it. And I'm going to put some foam tape on the balloon and pop it up. And I do have the string held on by Scotch tape on the back of the balloon. Oops. Ripped it right out of his hand. Or his wing. Okay, just stick that right under there. There's that. And I'm going to be using Where's the stamp at? The Cards TV stamp says Party On. And that's on the Let's Party set. It says Party On right here. So let's see, I think I'm just going to use black. Use archival ink. Stamp that right on the top. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to take some black soot and my water brush pen and put a little ground under him. Let's do that right here. Let me get my scrap paper. Let me make sure that's how I want it, because I don't want it too dark. So just a little shadow there. There we go. And then we're going to go on the inside, and I have the layers just like on the front. I took the white gel roll pen, did the stitching and the stitching from the die. We're going to stick that down. And then I'm going to use the Make-A-Wish set, and I'm going to use, where is it? Happy Bird Day. Let's see, let's move this one. I'm going to use the black archival ink for that as well. Just stamp that right there. A little crooked because I'm rushing because my battery's going to die. There's it inside. And I also have this little present from the Crazy Things set. And we're going to stamp a little present down here in the corner. So, there it is. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And I hope you can stop by the Cards TV gallery. I'll put a link down below. And check out new project by a different design team member every day. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.